Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to capitalize everything in Google Docs. This is very simple and straightforward. Just follow my steps. First thing you will have to do is to click Command plus A shortcut or Ctrl plus A if you are on Windows. This will select all of the text. Then simply go right here to Format, then Text, and click on Capitalization right here and choose lowercase, uppercase, or title case. In this instance, you will want to choose uppercase. Click on it, and now as you can see, everything is capitalized right now. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.